Sometimes people ask me, what is the difference between reading all the content online, watching your videos, and reading your articles and discussing with you directly? I'll say, well, it depends on what you want, right? So imagine cooking. Well, I have a long tradition in the family for cooking, so I really love that. Imagine that you read a recipe online and then you get at home and you try to follow what is written and try to do your own things, and then you might do something quite similar, but not exactly the same. It gives you exactly all the ingredients and all the way of doing that and all the way to prepare that. But imagine now another situation where you are with the chef that prepared the recipe. He or she is there with you, cooking with you, showing you the process, how to do things, how the small details that make the difference, and is able to course correct in case you're doing something that is not optimal. Do you see the difference between the two? And here is the same. I love sharing value. I love sharing content. I keep on writing articles and on making videos, even if sometimes are quite short or quite simple, but it gives always a bit of a hint to look at things at a different perspective, on challenging a bit the status quo, challenging the normal way of doing things and of saying things. When we work together, that's having the expertise together with you and working with you to achieving a certain goal. And that gives you a huge competitive advantage. So this is a quick answer to a question that got raised a little bit ago. I hope it's simple, clear, and effective. Keep on following InnoAchievers, and in the meantime, stay strong and stay effective.